Hey y'all, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a wig review today. Yes, it's been so long. Luvme Hair went ahead and sent me some wigs. They actually sent me 2 wigs, y'all, but we are going to be reviewing this black wig that you see right here. Stay tuned for the install and the review of the red one. So this wig is the Undetectable Lace Glueless 4x4 Closure Bob Wig. These knots did come pre-bleached and the hairline did come pre-plucked. It is in the length 10 inches and the texture is a silky straight. And that is what the hair is looking like. It's already cut. You don't have to do any type of cutting to it, and it's really bouncy, really soft. Now it does have 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the nape area. It also has adjustable straps. And it does have an adjustable detachable elastic band. So that one is like really new for me. And I really like that feature on the wig. So I'm just showing y'all what the adjustable elastic band looks like. It's kind of like a bra strap. So there's 3 rows of hooks. If you have a really big head like me, you only need to hook it in that first row, or if you want it a little bit tighter, you can hook it in the 2nd or 3rd row. So I thought that was really neat. I thought that was really cool. And so let's go ahead and install this wig. So I didn't feel the need to do the ball cap method with this wig. When I put on the wig cap, I did go ahead and use the Even wig adhesive spray to make sure that is stuck on there so that it does not move. So I'm gonna try on this wig just to make sure that everything is straight, making sure that part is in the middle, making sure that everything looks good. And look at the lace, y'all. Like you can't even see the lace, honestly. Like the lace is there, but y'all can't even see the lace in the video. Like I'm just like really amazed by that. So I went ahead and applied some makeup onto this wig. I used that wig adhesive spray to make sure that the makeup is stuck on there, to set it and make sure that it doesn't come off. I probably did not even need to apply makeup to the lace, but it's just a habit. It's really a habit for me to just apply makeup to the lace, but I didn't really need to. So we are going to go ahead and lay this wig down. I'm putting this back on, making sure again that everything is nice and straight. That part is straight, making sure that it's in the middle. And I am taking that same wig adhesive spray and I'm going to go ahead and put that where the lace is supposed to lay, blow dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay this lace down. When I tell you guys, this wig adhesive spray acts literally just like wig glue. I love it. You guys can get that on Amazon. I got it from my local beauty supply store. And you guys can see I'm pulling on it and it's not moving. It's not budging at all. So I went ahead and let that sit for maybe like about 5 minutes. Then I came back and now I'm cutting it off. No, I'm not using any type of razor or eyebrow razor or shaver to cut it off. I'm just using basic scissors, and you guys can see that there's a little bit of residue on there, but I will go ahead and fix that with some makeup. So now I am just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I was debating on if I should do baby hairs, but I said let's go ahead and do some baby hairs, just 2 little swoops, that nothing too major. Okay, so I took that out, sectioned it off. I did a little bit more plucking, but I didn't really need to after I realized that I didn't really need to. So I applied a little bit more makeup on there because I can see where the wig cap started. So that's why I applied a little bit more makeup, but nothing too major. So I took the elastic band and well, my melting band, or melting, whatever it's called. I took my melting band, I went ahead and put that on there, and while it's melting, while I waited, I went ahead and flat ironed it a little bit more so that it can be straighter. Bump the ends a little bit because I do not like completely straight hair, especially if it's a bob. I feel as if it does not need to be completely straight. I like mine's bumped a little bit, so I went ahead and did that. I cleaned up that part. And this hair wax stick, now this actually came in a set. This hot comb along with the pink comb that you guys see there, those clips that I used, 2 clips. It came with edge control, and then it did come with 3 melting bands. I think that's what it's called, 3 melting bands. So you do get a lot, and it was $35, you guys. So the link to the kit will be in the description box below. All of these products will be on my storefront, so you guys can purchase if you guys are interested. So I'm just making sure that that top part of the wig is laying really flat. So it's time for me to go ahead and do my baby hairs. I did not struggle this time because I'm getting a lot better with doing baby hairs, so I did not struggle. And the rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm just making sure that the hair is nicely laid flat. The baby hairs are looking really nice, and I did go ahead and apply that melting band again, and that is it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Like, this is definitely HD lace, like it's undetectable, like you guys can't like wear. I'm so in love with this bob, like I can't stop touching it. This hair is super soft, you guys. This was so easy to work with. This did come pre-plucked, however I did go ahead and pluck some more of it, just a little bit. It's just me, I just have to pluck a little bit off the hairline, but it does come pre-plucked. The knots did come bleached, so you don't have to bleach the knots. I don't really wear short hair like that, but this is definitely given like grown and sexy. I don't have time for any of the bullshit. Leave me alone, miss me with that. That's what it's giving. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The link to this hair will be in the description box down below, so definitely go ahead and check it out, and there will be a code that you guys can use for money off. So again, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Bye guys.